Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Motorola Escape 220 with your Android phone. So to do this, just be sure that your headphones are turned off and then click and hold this power button and wait until this indicator starts blinking blue and red. There we go. Right now release that button and you have to just open this Bluetooth settings on your device. So in my case I have to go to the connected devices, go to the pair new device, and from the available devices list we have to pick the Motorola Escape 220. Accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.